Welcome to the Venergy is All channel. Have you ever walked into a room and felt a palpable energy? Maybe it was excitement or tension hanging in the air. We've all experienced it. This isn't just a feeling, it's a glimpse into the invisible world of energy that surrounds us. Science tells us that everything in the universe is made up of energy. From the smallest atom to the largest star, it's all vibrating energy. This energy isn't just some abstract concept. It's a fundamental force that connects everything in the cosmos. Imagine a spider web glistening with morning dew. Each drop reflects the world around it, all connected by the delicate strands of the web. That's a bit like our universe, a web of energy connecting us all. This energy isn't static, it's constantly moving and changing, influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Just like a stone creates ripples in a pond, we create ripples in the energy field around us. We've all played with magnets, those mysterious objects that attract or repel. But magnetism is more than just a childhood curiosity. It's a fundamental force of nature, just like gravity. And just like gravity, it plays a crucial role in how our universe works. At its core, magnetism is all about attraction and repulsion. We see this in the simple example of two magnets. Opposite poles attract, while like poles push away. This dance of attraction and repulsion is driven by the magnetic fields that surround all magnets. But here's the fascinating part. Magnetism isn't limited to physical magnets. We too have magnetic fields surrounding our bodies. These fields, often called biomagnetism, are generated by the electrical currents flowing within us. Think about the electrical impulses that control your heartbeat or brain activity. These electrical currents create subtle magnetic fields that extend beyond our physical bodies. These fields interact with the world around us, influencing our energy and the energy of others. The idea that we can manipulate energy with our minds might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but what if I told you this ability is not so far-fetched? In fact, it's a concept explored by ancient traditions and modern science alike. Remember that web of energy connecting us all. Imagine being able to consciously interact with that web, to influence the flow of energy around you. That's the essence of energy manipulation. It's about tapping into the unseen forces that shape our reality and learning to direct them with intention. Now you might be thinking, but how is that even possible? Think about it this way. Our thoughts and emotions are themselves forms of energy. When we focus our thoughts or experience strong emotions, we generate energy that interacts with the field around us. Have you ever felt a surge of energy when you were excited, or felt drained after being around someone negative? These are examples of your energy field interacting with others. Energy manipulation takes this a step further, allowing you to consciously direct this energy to achieve specific outcomes. So how do we tap into this potential to become conductors of our own energy? It starts with understanding that our minds are powerful tools. Just as we train our bodies with exercise, we can train our minds to focus and direct energy. One of the most accessible techniques is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a ball of energy in your hands. Feel its warmth, its vibrancy. See it growing brighter as you pour your intention into it. This simple act of visualization can help you develop your sensitivity to energy and your ability to manipulate it. Another powerful technique is breath work. Our breath is our lifeline, connecting us to the life force energy that flows through all things. By practicing conscious breathing techniques, we can regulate our own energy and influence the energy around us. These are just two examples of the many techniques available. The key is to find what resonates with you and to approach it with an open mind and a willingness to experiment. Remember, mastering any skill takes time and practice, but the rewards of harnessing your innate energetic potential are well worth the effort. To delve deeper into the world of energy and its manipulation, we turn to the work of individuals like Manly P. Hall. Born in 1901, Hall dedicated his life to unraveling the mysteries of ancient wisdom traditions. He was a prolific writer, speaker, and mystic who left an indelible mark on the world of esoteric knowledge. Hall's fascination with the hidden dimensions of reality began at a young age. He devoured books on philosophy, religion, and symbolism, seeking to understand the underlying principles governing human existence. This thirst for knowledge led him on a lifelong journey of discovery, exploring ancient texts and forgotten teachings. He founded the Philosophical Research Society in Los Angeles, a center dedicated to the study of comparative religion, philosophy, and mythology. His magnum opus is a monumental work that synthesizes esoteric wisdom from various cultures and time periods. Hall's work wasn't just about accumulating knowledge. He believed that true understanding required a transformation of consciousness, a shift in perception that allowed individuals to access deeper levels of reality, unveiling the esoteric knowledge for the few. The word esoteric often evokes a sense of mystery, even secrecy. It's often associated with hidden knowledge, available only to a select few. But what does it truly mean to explore the esoteric? At its core, esoteric knowledge refers to teachings that are not readily accessible or understandable through ordinary means. It's not about secrets hidden from the masses, but rather about insights that require a certain level of preparation, dedication, and inner work to grasp. Imagine trying to explain advanced calculus to someone who hasn't learned basic math. The concepts would seem baffling and incomprehensible. Similarly, esoteric knowledge often requires a shift in perspective, a willingness to look beyond the surface of things to grasp its deeper meaning. This is not to say that esoteric knowledge is reserved for an elite few. Rather, it's an invitation to embark on a journey of inner discovery, to explore the hidden dimensions of ourselves and the universe around us. The power within why esoteric knowledge matters. So why should we care about esoteric knowledge? What relevance does it hold for our modern lives? The answer lies in the power of this knowledge to empower us as individuals and as a society. Throughout history, esoteric traditions have explored the hidden potential of human consciousness. They offer tools and techniques for self-discovery, transformation, and spiritual growth. By understanding these teachings, we gain access to a treasure trove of wisdom that can help us navigate the challenges of life and live more fulfilling lives. Esoteric knowledge reminds us that we are not just physical beings, but also spiritual beings having a human experience. It encourages us to look beyond the material world and connect with something greater than ourselves. In a world often dominated by external distractions and material pursuits, esoteric knowledge offers a path to inner peace, wisdom, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. A journey of discovery, exploring your own potential. The journey into the world of energy manipulation and esoteric wisdom is a deeply personal one. It's about exploring your own potential, pushing the boundaries of your perception and discovering the interconnectedness of all things. It's not about seeking quick fixes or supernatural powers. It's about embarking on a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. It's about realizing that we are not separate from the universe, but rather integral parts of a vast and interconnected web of energy. Start by cultivating a sense of curiosity and wonder. Question your assumptions, explore new ideas, and be open to the possibility that there is more to reality than meets the eye. Remember, the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process of learning, experimenting, and growing. And most importantly, trust your intuition and inner guidance as you navigate the path ahead. Conclusion: embracing the invisible forces. We've journeyed from the familiar world of magnets to the invisible realm of energy fields, exploring the potential for human consciousness to influence the world around us. We've delved into the life and work of Manly P. Hall, a seeker of hidden truths, and glimpsed the transformative power of esoteric knowledge. The universe is a symphony of energy, a dance of invisible forces that shape our reality. By understanding these forces, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things and our own place within this grand cosmic tapestry. While the path of energy manipulation and esoteric exploration may seem daunting, it's a journey filled with wonder, discovery, and the potential for profound personal transformation. The invitation is open to all who dare to look beyond the surface, to explore the hidden dimensions of themselves and the universe, and to embrace the invisible forces that connect us all. Subscribe to The Energy is all channel for more content.